Once upon a time in a faraway village lived a little boy named Tony. Tony was a kind boy who loved helping others, including animals. He would often feed the birds in the park and play with the neighborhood dogs. One sunny afternoon, as Tony was walking along the path near his house, he heard a faint crying sound coming from behind a tree. Curious, Tony looked behind the tree and saw an old lady, sobbing softly. "Grandma, why are you crying?" Tony said softly, approaching the old lady with concern. The old lady looked up with teary eyes. "Oh, Tony, I've lost my favorite necklace," she said sadly. "It's very precious to me. I don't know where to find it." Tony felt sad for the old lady. He wanted to help her find her necklace. "Don't worry, Grandma," Tony said reassuringly. "I'll help you look for it." Together, Tony and the old lady searched around the tree where she had been sitting. They looked under bushes, near the flowers, and even checked the path where Tony had found her. After a while, just as they were about to give up, Tony spotted something shiny caught in the branches of a bush nearby. He reached up and gently pulled out the old lady's lost necklace. "Grandma, look!" Tony exclaimed, holding up the necklace with a big smile. The old lady's face lit up with joy. "Oh, Tony, you found it! Thank you so much!" She hugged Tony tightly, feeling grateful and happy. As a token of helping her, the old lady gave Tony a small, handmade storybook filled with tales of adventure and magic. "This book is for you, Tony," she said with a smile. "Whenever you read it, remember how your kindness brought happiness to an old lady's heart." Tony thanked the old lady and ran home with his new storybook, feeling proud that he had helped someone in need. Moral: kindness will always be rewarded.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.